Okay, a very quick and dirty uh, T-tape tutorial. I'm using Hypafix cover roll stretch. It is 4 inches by 10 yards, and I got it on Amazon. This is what it looks like. So first thing you do is you have to measure on your erection how much of the tape you need. You can actually use this tape and just make a mark around your erection, and then just mark it off how many of these lines you need. And then for me, it was 3 of these large lines, or the darker 1, 2, and then 3. So that's the piece that I'm using. Then what I did was I took off one side of the tape, which I can kind of show you here. So I took this smaller side off right here, and then I cut it in half and applied down the edge just a tiny little strip for what's going to actually be sticking to you. Then I do the same for the other side. Remove the large piece here. Take all that off, and then use that other half of this for the other side. So now you've got 2 strips of sticky that have backing on them on each side. And I use a little bit of cellophane tape just to hold it in place, because once you take the backing off, it's very hard to handle. Then I take this one and I just fold it over on top of each other, so it'll look like this. And you see the 2 pieces there at the end. That becomes the T-tape. And then the tricky part is putting it on. So you take off one side of the backing, and you'll have a sticky side. And then you have to fold it back onto the sticky side and apply that to your erection. Then you'll have one that has not been peeled off yet. So this one would not be peeled off yet. Then you peel that one off and apply the other half. And that's the tricky part, because if you peel them both off at the same time, they're just going to stick together and you're done. So hopefully that is something that you can work out for yourself. But basically it's going to look like that around your penis. And then there might be a little overlap, which you can cut a little piece off the end, and then the little piece of tape will overlap onto the other end. And then once it's around your penis, that's what you're going to clip onto either one of these. This is like a bed sheet stay, where you can just clip it onto the T-tape, and then the other clip would go on your underwear, and just around your waist, or you could have an even longer one and it wraps all the way around your waist and then clips on your underwear, just to give it some tension from the T-tape. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know.